Hey guys, it's iPod Pro here, and today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to find non-copyrighted music for your YouTube videos and how to put them into your YouTube video. The first thing you need to do is search up background music on YouTube. Afterwards, click on Filter and select Creative Commons. Once you have found the music you like, to download it, add two S's in front of the YouTube within the link. Choose the format and quality of the video you want to download and begin downloading it. Go into your editor of choice and place a video in it. Separate the video from the audio. In Vegas Pro, click U to do this, and delete the video. For the final step, place the audio behind the video, and now you have non-copyrighted music for your YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.